Hello there. Want to hear फायदे की बात? Want to know how to trade like a pro? Then say hello to HDFC Securities super फायदे के features. Let's move on to the next feature, hold transfer release. Many traders and investors maintain fund balances in their brokerage account so that they can easily make trades. But these funds don't earn interest like the funds in your bank account do. Our hold transfer release feature ensures that your funds remain in your bank account and earn interest. Your funds are debited only when a trade is to be executed. ये हुई ना फायदे की बात. What's more, when you do a sell transaction, you will automatically get a payout in T+2 days. No need to place a manual request. Please note, this feature is available only for HDFC Bank Power of Attorney registered customers. ये हुई ना फायदे की बात. All these and many more फायदे के features are available with HDFC Securities. Visit hdfcsec.com/फायदे के features for more information.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.